Yo, I am bored. So, YouTube video it is. I'm going to be doing... We're in Spain. Dry conditions, all that sort of stuff. Why is it offering me wet tyres? Don't know. Anyway, I'm doing something very stupid, and I'm just going for maximum skid. Yeah, so... I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm going to. Just firm everything up. Ride height low, anti-roll bar. So that's what I'm going to be racing today. Yeah, let's just do one shakedown. See how it feels.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 turn unseen, happy left. 50.
Stability's good.
To right long, tightens. Into 2 left, opens 50. 4 left,
Oh
30.
gosh.
3 right.
Alright, this is gonna be catchy for sure.
Keep right into 2 left long, tightens late. 30. 5 right.
Yeah, no, this is gonna be
60.
horrendous. Pretty broken my
5
car.
right. 60. 4 right long of a dip, tightens 3 of a crest.
It's fine, I just need to not hit the handbrake too much.
Into 5 left of a
Oh,
crest.
no, I can't hit the handbrake at all.
Extra long. 30.
I just gotta get used to it, so I can handle it.
4 left long.
I'm not used to driving this
into
car.
cut, 4 right. Into 3 left long, opens of a crest, 70.
There you go, that was fine.
5 right long, tightens 3 long. Into 2
Yeah, and it loses all
left.
its traction. Okay.
30. To stop. Well done.
Might untighten the anti-roll bar at the back there. I've got to repair my vehicle then. It's literally just bodywork. Okay. Right, this car is ugly as fuck, by the way. Right in the middle. Okay. Let's try do this. I don't think it's gonna go well, but oh well.
Starts 60.
But this car
Turn
is huge.
hairpin left.
It's a fucking
50.
4-seater
2
or
right long,
5-seater.
tightens. Good luck.
Or how many people you can fit on the bench behind. I think it's a bench on the behind.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60, turn unseen, happy left. 50.
Okay, insane
2
happy.
right long, tightens. Into 2 left, opens 50.
2 left.
4 left.
Well, you know what?
30,
Taking that anti-roll bar at the back and making it less firm actually helps a lot with keeping this car from understeering.
30.
I know, like, you want understeer for drifting,
5
but you
right,
don't want to be going off the track as it.
60.
So this wasn't
4
too
right
bad.
long, over dip, tightens 3 of a crest.
Oh wait,
Into
oh.
5 left of a crest.
Isn't too bad, but I do need to remember to actually use the handbrake this time.
30.
Maybe I'll clip that bit out of the YouTube video.
Cut 4 right.
I won't. So. As you know that because you just heard me say it. So.
Left long, opens of a crest, 70. 5 right long, tightens 3 long. Into 2 left.
No, it doesn't drive too bad. I like this. I like this setup.
Into 5 left of a crest long.
Maybe 7 seconds ahead against easy box, so I'm not driving necessarily fast. But I'm driving fun, for sure.
Into 4 left long of a crest. Into cut 5 right.
Spain's definitely the best place if you want to come, not just to rally, but to drift.
5 right cut. Into 5 left.
And I mean, Dirt Rally doesn't have the best drift physics in the game, but in the world, I mean, but
into 6
yeah.
left, 6 right, into 5 left long, into cut, 6 right.
You can't expect a rally game to be a
Into 5 left
drift
of a
game as well,
crest,
so
30. 6 right, extra
I can't
long
be
of a crest,
complaining. It's a
50.
great fucking rally game.
Tight,
I mean, the
4
best
left
rally game in
tightens.
the world, I'm assuming.
30. Slow 6 left of a crest into small cut 3 right. 4 left.
Oh,
cut 4
shit.
right. And 3 left long.
I still remember I need to slow down a bit.
30.
I do need to slow
cut
down.
4 right of a dip. Opens
That's
of a
kinda
crest. Into 6 left. And small cut 4 right.
Still 7 seconds
3
ahead.
left
Giga
long.
Chip.
Opens. 6 left.
I just lost frames.
Into 5 right.
Oops.
Opens into 3 left tightens.
But yeah, this thing.
Into 3
Oh.
right tightens. Into 4 left.
Sorry, this is my first time driving it like this, so I'm just going to be going off the road quite a bit. But some bits will look good. So
Into 5 right. Into caution 2 left long. 30.
that for sure didn't.
2 right long.
The thing is, because the back end doesn't skid out as much as
2
is it does stuff like that, where it doesn't turn enough. That's very annoying.
4 right. Extra long. Tightens 3 long.
I need to slow down a
tightens.
bit.
Into 5 left long.
Not there, but still.
tightens.
You need to slow down. Maybe we'll do 2 rounds
Into
of this in
3
this video.
right tightens. Into 5 left long tightens. Opens 6 long. 4 right.
Like some of these
Into
corners
3
look
left
very
tightens.
nice. Like at least feel very
80.
nice. So I'm sure they don't look. I
Slow
need to
4
turn
left.
back the other way.
Into 4 right.
So I'm sure they don't
Opens
look
of a
too bad, but
bridge.
like
Tightens 3.
I don't want to upload the replay of this onto YouTube because there's so many crashes.
6 right. 50. 5 left.
And
extra
people don't
long,
like crashes.
tightens 4. 100.
Apparently they're not cool and stuff.
Keep left into big cut.
Okay, I lost
5
frames
right
again.
of a crest.
Rip.
Into caution. Keep left of a crest. 3 right tightens. 30.
Yeah, well fine.
4 left long. Tightens 2.
Those flag is kind of cool, I gotta
Opens.
admit.
Into
So that
6
drift
left,
there was not
very
bad at
long.
all.
Opens of a crest into 2 right long. Opens, tightens,
Like
1
Spain
right.
does have a lot of my best drifts, but it's
Into 2 left.
the rest of it is
1
boring as
left.
fuck.
Of a finish.
It also has some of my worst races in terms of the fact that
That's
where am I
it.
going?
Championship win.
The
Fantastic.
fact that I crash so much because I'm drifting, and sometimes I try to drift a little bit too much. Alright, let's have a look at this replay. Yes, we're gonna make this a long YouTube video. Alright, so that wasn't that clean. I needed to wait a little bit to. I need to like take it a little bit wider, I think. See that? Because I sort of cut the corner a little bit. This. See, look at that. That looks pretty cool. Oh, wait, never mind. Okay. That wasn't too bad. So I want to pause it real quick. There. Okay, I know. So I'll see what bits where I went wrong and like how I can improve them. Oh, bro, I was about to say, oh, okay, that one there I took a little bit too fast. That sure did not look snazzy. I don't like the look at the back of this car, won't lie. Looks pretty naff. I want to see a big drift. Go on, hit a drift, bro, hit a drift. Did I crash it? No, it wasn't too bad of a drift. It didn't go along for a long amount of time. It didn't go for a good length of time, but it's still a drift. And sometimes out of these corners, drifts to sort of happen just to counter the understeer or whatever, or oversteer, whatever. So like, if I didn't drift there, I would go over the edge because the car wouldn't turn quick enough. It's to counter me going so fast sometimes. I think. I don't know. I'm just slightly retarded. How do I get? Okay. I mean, there's good bits, there's bad bits, but like, you know, like that's a bit bad bit. Overall, I don't think it was too shit, so I think we're gonna go again. I won't keep you watching this. I'm just gonna restart. So, I take this one a little bit wider, I think.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Maybe even a little bit
60,
slower.
turn unseen, happy left. 50.
It was
Two
alright.
right long, tightens. Into 2 left, opens 50. 4
Oh,
left,
and
30.
there's the restart. We're gonna restart that.
5.
Yeah, a little bit too fast.
3.
Let's see what happens if I go fast in this bit.
1, go. 60, turn unseen, happy left. 50.
Nothing good
Two
happens.
right
That's what
long,
happens.
tightens. Into 2 left, opens 50. 4 left,
Okay.
30.
Did it
right.
drift? Kinda. More of a controlled
50. Keep right
skid
into
than it
2
is a
left long,
drift,
tightens
realistically.
late. 30. 5 right. 60.
Ah. I'm gonna just keep restarting if I don't get it perfect.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, time to
60,
go.
turn unseen, happy left. 50.
That wasn't too
2
bad.
right long, tightens.
I get concentrate.
Into 2 left, opens 50. 4 left, 30. 3 right,
Okay, nice.
50. Keep right into 2 left long, tightens
I
late.
just slow down
30.
here and then
5 right,
because it tightens
60.
late, it, like I drift too hard into it.
4 right long, over dip, tightens 3 over crest. Into 5 left over
Oh
crest.
shit, what did I just hit going on
Into
the back?
4 right, extra long.
I don't think my tyres popped. I
30.
know Spain is notorious for popping tyres.
4 left long, into cut, 4 right. Into 3 left long, opens over crest, 70. 5 right long,
Okay, and we're
tightens
speeding.
3 long. Into 2 left.
Yeah, that's a restart. Fuck. Do I need to be going slower or faster? I'm not sure.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, and we're off again.
60, turn unseen, happy left. 50. 2 right long, tightens.
Right long.
Into 2 left, Opens 50.
The thing is, drifting probably isn't the fastest thing to do here.
4 left. 30.
The fastest thing to do is probably take it not
3
drifting
right.
to keep traction, so I actually can move faster.
50. Keep right into 2 left long.
It's
Tightens
like here, the
8.
best thing to do is probably just slow
30.
down.
5 right. 60. 4 right.
Slowing
long,
down
over
is
dip,
it's
tightens
not
3 over
cool.
crest. Into 5 left over crest.
Ah, especially when you do that. Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60, turn unseen, hairpin left. 50.
They did that hairpin a bit
2
wide.
right long, tightens.
It's fine, it's fine.
Into 2 left, opens 50. 4 left, 30.
How does that take me over the edge? Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, let's go again.
60, turn unseen, hairpin left. 50. 2 right long, tightens. Into 2 left, opens 50. 4 left, 30.
Okay, nice.
3 right,
When I get on the side, how do I keep it on the side for longer? That's my question.
50.
I can do that,
Keep right into 2
right.
left long, tightens.
but how do I keep
8.
it going like that for longer?
30.
I don't know how to do that. So now is when I should drift on this one.
Right.
Just drift a little bit late.
60. 4 right long, over dip, tightens 3 over crest. Into 5 left over crest. Into 4 right, extra long, 30.
That's where I crashed last time.
4 left
Don't know.
long, into cut, 4 right. Into 3 left long, opens over crest, 70.
Sometimes my drifts are very short.
5 right long,
It's like
tightens
they
3
don't
long.
drift around the whole corner, there's just like a short little correction drift. It doesn't look very
Into 2
cool.
left,
It feels pretty cool.
30.
Normal drifting feels
5
cool.
right.
But the car
Into 5
isn't
left
doing what it
crest
should be.
long,
But it's
tightens.
meaning it's
Into
doing what it should be, you
4
know.
right.
Like, it's not going around the corner properly, it's going around the corner sideways, which
Into
is
4 left long over crest.
not what it's meant to do, but what you want it to
Into
do.
cut, 5 right.
You know, Smith, the granddad from the chip shop
5
down the
right
road,
cut. Into
ain't
5
gonna want his car to
left.
drift
Into 4
around a
right.
corner. He wants it to go normally around a corner, but you know,
Into 6 left.
drifting around a
6
corner
right.
still feels cool.
Into 5 left long. Into cut, 6 right.
It's not. It's doing something
Into
it's not
5
meant
left
to.
over crest, 30. 6
Yeah,
right, extra long
It's
over
going
crest,
fast
50.
and on its
Tight,
and it's
full left
going on its
tightens.
side. Whenever I race, I usually on my
30.
side, but that's because I've rolled the car,
Slow 6
not
left over
because I'm
crest
drifting.
into small cut, 3 right. 4 left, cut, 4
So,
right, and 3 left.
Take that
long.
how you would.
30, cut, 4 right over dip.
I feel like I race best when I'm in the zone. The zone is like I'm not even realizing I'm racing. I'm just racing.
3 left long, opens,
That's like when I make the least mistakes.
6 left.
That's quite a nice
into
little
5
like
right,
swish
opens
flick.
into
I'm
3
gonna call it a
left
swish flick.
tightens.
I don't know what the actual name for it is, but it's swish flick sounds cool. So
Into 3 right
the
tightens.
thing with, I mean, the thing with
Into 4
drifting is
left.
you don't need to be going fast, or you don't even want to be
Into
going
4
fast.
right long,
Going
opens
too
over
fast,
crest,
it's
into
hard to
sudden
come out of the
4
corner.
left,
You're going too fast
into 5 right.
because you just lost
Into
all
caution,
traction. If
two
you're going
left
slow,
long.
you still have some, like there.
30.
Like if you're going slow, you still have some of
2
your
right
traction.
long,
You're not,
30.
you haven't.
2 left
Like
long
it, yeah,
tightens.
okay.
30.
Okay, if you fully send it, this is just what I think, by the way, it's probably not right, but still.
4
If I
right,
fully send it and I
extra
go for a drift,
long,
it just instantly,
tightens,
all
3
traction is
long
lost.
tightens.
There's no way I'm coming back out of that corner.
Into 5 left long, tightens.
That's just because I'm not very skilled. Oh,
Into 3 right tightens. Into 5 left long tightens.
you don't like those
Opens 6
bollards, by the way.
long.
If you can hit those bollards, They look at me in the wrong way. So
Into 3 left tightens, 80.
yeah, I've killed their
Slow 4
family,
left
but like
into
just
4
finish
right.
them off.
Opens of a bridge.
Finally put them out there suffering,
Tightens 3. And 6 right, 50.
Well, a little bit of a
5
crash
left,
there.
extra long.
I has just one
tightens
person and
4,
needed to go straight there.
100.
We're actually going slow enough. It's just us that we're
Keep
going
left
slow
into
enough that
big
actually
cut,
helps.
5 right of a crest.
Everyone else going fast enough that it doesn't help.
Into caution, keep left of a crest, 3 right tightens, 30.
But is it,
Left
wait,
long,
where these masses are, is
tightens
this actually the best racing line, or is this like where every
Opens.
person and their mother goes? Is this just like, is this like the
Into 6 left,
where
very
standard people
long,
drive, like when
opens
they're
of a
just driving
crest,
normally, or is
2
it
right
like
long.
actually the good racing line?
Opens, tightens, 1 right. Into 2 left.
That wasn't a very good,
Crest, 1
good-
left. Of a finish.
Okay, into finish. And actually stopped by the marshal this time. Yeah, close enough. Yo, Marshall.
Champions.
Okay, there you go.
We deserve it.
That's what we got in the end video, guys. Finally got around the Spain course without totaling my car. I'm probably gonna upload the replay for this one on the channel after this one video, so it'll probably be up already. Until the next time I get motivation to make a YouTube video, I guess I'll see you next time. Yeah, don't kill yourself just yet. Peace.